Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial. Today we're going to look at configuring your service charge. This feature gives you the ability to add a mandatory or optional service charge set by your business and charged to the customer for the service received. Service charge is separate from tipping and can be used in an and or situation. Some of the benefits of this feature include easily enable or disable service charge on a store-by-store level, set your custom service charge percentage, whether for example you want to give a 5% or 12%, the ability to set a mandatory or optional service charge. If it's optional, the customer will be able to remove or re-add it to their bill. If it's mandatory, the customer won't be able to remove it from their bill. If your service charge is set to mandatory, you will be able to hide the processing to the customer to avoid the customer having to pay fees multiple times. The processing fee amount will be deducted from the total service charge cost. You won't need to contact Flipdish support to do this. You can do this easily through the Flipdish portal. Now let's look at how to set up your service charge. First, go to the Flipdish portal at portal.flipdish.com. Then go to the store section in the left-hand navigation bar. Open the store from which you would like to configure your service charge. In the sub-navigation towards the bottom of the page, you will see service charge. In the service charge section, you can enable and disable the service charge. When disabled, service charge will not show for your customers during checkout. You can set it to mandatory, shown as always, or have it optional. If it's set to always, customers won't be able to remove it from their bill. If it's set to optional, customers will have the option to remove and re-add it from their bill. You will be able to set the service charge percentage and also hide the processing fees. Please note that this functionality is only possible when you have set service charge to always. The processing fee will be deducted from the service charge total amount. Now let's take a look at what your customers will see. This is what the mandatory service charge looks like. This is what the optional service charge looks like, but when the customer has the ability to remove the service charge. And finally, this is what the optional service charge looks like, when the customer has the ability to re-add service charge. If you have any questions or issues to report, please reach out to help@flipdish.com or your primary point of contact, who will help you. Thanks for watching.